How to add Bybit virtual card to Apple Pay Wallet 2026. Want to make contactless payments directly from your iPhone using your Bybit card without carrying your physical card everywhere. In this video, I am going to teach you exactly how to add your Bybit virtual card to Apple Pay in 2026 step by step, so you can start paying with a single tap. Adding your Bybit card to Apple Pay gives you instant access to your crypto-backed card through Face ID or Touch ID authentication. Works on your iPhone, Apple Watch, iPad, and Mac, and lets you shop online and in apps seamlessly. Let us get into it. Step 1. Make sure you have a Bybit account and a virtual card created. If you do not have a Bybit card yet, open the Bybit app, go to your card section, and apply for a virtual card. Once approved and activated, your virtual card will be ready to add to Apple Pay. Step 2. Open the Apple Wallet app on your iPhone. Look for the plus icon in the top right corner and tap it. Step 3. Select debit or credit card from the menu that appears. This tells Apple Wallet you are adding a card. Step 4. Choose how you want to add your card. You can either scan your physical Bybit card using your iPhone camera, or tap Enter Card Details manually to type in your virtual card information. For a virtual card, choose Enter Card Details manually. Step 5. Enter your Bybit card details. Type in your card number, expiration date, and CVV. Make sure every detail is entered correctly. Step 6. Confirm your card details and tap Next to proceed. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by Apple. Step 7. Agree to the terms and conditions. Read through them and tap Agree to continue. Step 8. Choose whether to make this your default card for Apple Pay. If you want to use your Bybit card for most payments, tap Use as default card. If you prefer to select it manually each time, tap Not Now. Step 9. Your Bybit card is now added to Apple Pay. You will see it listed in your wallet with all other payment methods. Step 10. Start using your card for payments. At any store with contactless payment, simply hold your iPhone or Apple Watch near the reader and authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID. Your payment will process instantly. One important thing to know, your Bybit card does not have its own wallet balance. Instead, it pulls funds directly from your Bybit funding account or flexible Easy Earn balance. Before you use your card, make sure you have sufficient funds in those accounts. You can deposit funds by purchasing crypto or fiat through the Bybit app. Now here is your pro tip. If you want to add your Bybit card through the Bybit app instead of the wallet app directly, open the Bybit app, go to My Cards or Card Management, find your virtual card, and tap Add to Apple Wallet. This automatically sends the card details to Apple Wallet and streamlines the entire process, especially if you have multiple Bybit cards and want to manage them all from the Bybit app. So to recap, open Apple Wallet, tap the plus icon, select debit or credit card, choose your Bybit virtual card or enter details manually, confirm your information, agree to terms. Set it as default if you want, and start using it for contactless payments with Face ID or Touch ID. If this video helped you add your Bybit card to Apple Pay, hit the like button and subscribe for more crypto and fintech guides. And drop a comment below telling me what you are most excited to buy with your Bybit card. See you in the next one.